Let me just start the ignition and the engine. Panorama roof is actually blocked by the tent which we have on top. It will fit, hopefully. Ja, Dankeschön. Parking camera. You can't actually see nothing. Dankeschön. Yeah. We have some speed reducing bumpers, but no problem for the XLP. Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all today for an adventure. Guys, before we start, I am hungry guys. I just want to go to McDonald's, just a quick one, McDrive. Which car should I take? This one looks pretty interesting guys. What do you think about this Brabus Adventure XLP? This thing is based on the AMG's G63, and what Brabus has done is they took the G63 and made a monstrous pickup out of it. Guys, look how this thing looks. And this is not even a normal one, this is the adventure version. You see, we have a front bull bar on top, we have a tent, we have these lights, and also a few crazy things in the back. And you can also see by the tires, this thing is made for off-roading and not going to McDonald's for the McDrive. But that's what we are going to do today. Let me just give you a quick walk around, afterwards jump inside and get some food because I'm hungry. So guys, let me just give you a quick walk around. This car is based on the AMG G63. Brabus has just upgraded it and it looks like a beast. Looking at the front, cable winch, bull bar, hood extension, Brabus grille, and the stealth gray exterior paint, giving this a great look. On top we have the additional lights and a tent. On the side you can see the tires. These are humongous and these are made for the off-roading. Brabus HD wheels here, these are also made for off-roading purposes. BRABUS 800 badge, Brabus badges. On the side, as soon as I open the door, we have the running board, and this is how we open and close the door. Here you can see guys, we have a pickup, and let me just open the loading area. There we go, we have a spare tire. This is huge guys, I'm honest with you. We have some tanks, I mean this loading space here, you can put some additional tools for off-roading as well. So let me just close that back in, and now it's time to go and get some food because I'm hungry guys. Let's get inside. We have the step boards here for an easy entrance, and yeah, let's just get in. Guys, I'm ready. We have a full brown interior on that one. If you want to watch the full interior exterior walk, it was actually my first ever video on YouTube. Check out the info box above. Closing the door, as you should, inside a G. And this is not a normal G, this is a Brabus, and it's not even a normal Brabus, it's a pickup XLP, and not even a normal XLP, it's an Adventure XLP. This thing is just made for off-roading guys, like for extreme off-roading. Let me just start the ignition and the engine. Nice V8 sound here. Yes, I will be just opening up the exhaust valves. We'll be driving in comfort now, maybe switch to Sport Plus afterwards, and let's just go ahead and start with the drive. So now driving off to McDonald's drive-in guys. We have some speed reducing bumpers, but no problem for the XLP. We don't need to slow down on these. Let me switch to Sport Plus. And over there it's actually very cool. We have the Mercedes-Benz dealership, and next to it we have the McDonald's drive-in. Back here used to be the Smart dealership. But yeah guys, I'm hungry. I am hungry and I need some food. So we need to drive inside. Now let's go. 2.75 meters. I guess that's okay for the XLP. It will fit, hopefully. But yeah, here we are now. We need to wait in the line. Guys, how do you like the interior? This like very dark brown leather tone. It almost looks like chocolate color. I really love. Plus the normal chrome buttons, also like literally every chrome part is also repainted in this darkish chrome brown finish, which I love. And in addition to that, we have a full carbon fiber interior package by Brabus. All these parts are normally piano black, and Brabus, even like the inside of this, the display, full carbon fiber. The dashboard, every single part carbon fiber. And yeah, I just love this. Even the handles here on top are carbon fiber, which I personally love. There's literally no single chrome part on this car. Something I don't like are the buttons here finished in plastic. Also these here in the back. I mean, they destroy the entire look, but all in all, still love this. Guys, the point here, I mean, it looks like it's like very darkish in the interior because the panorama roof is actually blocked by the tent which we have on top. Normally you have way more sunlight and daylight in the interior, but yeah, it looks very darkish due to the fact we have a very dark brown leather tone, and all the parts are finished in this dark chrome and dark matte finish. Yeah, and the carbon fiber itself is like very darkish, but if we had it like in pure sunlight, it would be way more bright, which would look way better in my opinion. Yeah, I need some help here. It's a bit yeah, tight. Let me just start the front parking camera. You can't actually see nothing. I mean, it's just a cable winch in front, but yeah, it will still help to yeah, assist me through here. Schönen guten Tag. Funktioniert die Eismaschine? Ja genau, weil dann hätte ich gerne 2 McSundays. Ne, nur ein. Genau, ein McSunday und Schokolade. Schokolade bitte. Ja genau. Ja, das war's. Ja. Ich habe nicht so viel Hunger. Danke. So we just ordered. I was joking, I'm not hungry at all, to be honest, but I just wanted to yeah, drive into the McDrive. The crazy thing is, I just ate a few minutes ago at the Brabus event place, so I'm just grabbing some ice here because I love the McSunday here from McDonald's, to be honest. Yeah. Hallo, ganz kurz, ich muss mal den Wagen bewegen. Ja, dankeschön. Ich filme gerade für YouTube. Ist das schlimm für Sie, wenn Sie auch drauf sind? Ist kein Problem? Alles klar, dankeschön. Ja. Ja, also eigentlich habe ich keinen Hunger. Ich wollte einfach nur hier reinfahren, weil das Auto einfach zu groß ist. Ja. Ja, genau, ich wollte ein Eis holen. Also ich habe gar keinen Hunger. Ja. Ja, vielen Dank. Ja, das ist Mr.Benz, also mr.benz. Wir machen mr.benz. Genau. Genau. Schauen Sie einfach nach, die nächsten Wochen kommt das. Das kommt die nächsten Wochen irgendwann online. Ciao. Bis dann. Hallo. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank.
Nur das, ne?
Ja, das war's. Haben Sie noch ein paar Servietten für mich?
Ja.
Ja. Dankeschön.
Schönes Auto, ne?
Ja, dankeschön. Ich bin einfach nur reingefahren, weil ich gucken wollte, wie das passt.
Also.
Ja, ist lustig, oder?
Ja. Und was ist das?
Ja, ich filme für YouTube. Ist das okay, wenn Sie auf YouTube sind?
Ja.
Ja, das wird ein lustiges Video. Schönen Tag noch. Ciao. Ja. Guys, mission complete. We got them next Sunday. I was honest with you. I am not that hungry. That's good. But yeah, I just finished. This is pretty good. Yeah, guys, how do you like the video? It was a very spontaneous one. If you want that I pick up any one of you, any subscriber with a Brabus, to go and have some McDonald's McDrive, comment with hashtag Team Brabus, and I will choose some of you who will join me on a McSunday McDonald's drive-in with the Brabus. How do you guys like the video? If you want more of these kind of videos, just leave it in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you all a great day, and yeah, take care. I will be back